Blunt here with Nutrition 120 to give you a crash course on our textbook. We're going to get right into it. So at the top of every chapter, you're going to have a chapter learning toolkit, which is super helpful. You can hit this expand button right to the right here and get the things that you need to know by the end of this chapter. Good kind of focal points on what you should know. Video recap is there to help you if you are lost on any concepts or just a good review to polish up your notes. And then we have this button right here to the right, and this expands the table of contents that we see. It tells you what chapter is going to be on what, and what chapter we're actually on. Obviously, our weeks don't correlate with our chapters, so really important, helpful thing to use there. And then we have these 4 buttons down here. There's a bookmark to bookmark, maybe a video or a concept or some words that or a chapter that you just really are struggling with. And you have your highlights there that can help you with the same thing, maybe highlighting a key term and its definition that you can put it in your notes. And then we also have here, you have the actual Notes app. There's a note app built in, so you don't need OneNote or Docs necessarily. If you want to keep notes in this class, it's already built in. Super helpful. And then you have your flashcards with key terms for the entire book and each chapter. Super helpful. And then probably the most helpful thing, you get your chat bot right here in this big yellow button. This big yellow button, super helpful. You can ask it to define a term, a concept, or just general nutrition questions. I've done all 3. It's been super helpful since, as I've definitely been trying to watch what I eat and what I consume now. And another tip that I'd like to kind of give to you is what I do is I read the chapter very thoroughly. No notes. I don't write anything down. I may highlight something that I think is really important, but basically no notes. Leave it almost untouched. And then once I'm done, I go all the way back up and I do our Quizlet for the flashcards. And based on the flashcards, if I know what I'm doing really well on it, I write some simple notes and I know that I'll remember. Or if not, I go back and reread and put the notes on. That's my tips. Hope this helped. Thanks, guys.